Welcome to Ask Reliance, where we answer your most asked questions. Today's question is it bad for my air conditioner if a dog pees on it? The short answer is yes. Dog urine on your air conditioner can cause problems. When urine comes in contact with the exterior of the AC unit, it can corrode the metal over time, leading to potential damage to components like the coils and the wiring. This can decrease the lifespan of your system and might even cause it to malfunction. To keep your AC running smoothly and free from unwanted odor, try to discourage your dog from getting too close to the unit. If the issue persists, consider installing a barrier around your unit. Reliance experts are here to help with any AC maintenance or repairs you may need. Call on Reliance.